We are making taco soup over briquettes in the backyard.
What's the secret ingredient?
Love. It's is the secret ingredient to our taco soup. I'm going to use some just to make sure this is seasoned, so I don't want the beef to stick. We got a pound of ground beef here, and now I'm going to get the onions. So I'm just going to add it all. I'm loving this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. This little can of tomato sauce. I'm just going to drizzle around. So now we're going to add the taco seasoning. So this is just Uncle Dan's ranch, classic ranch. A tablespoon of this. The corn, the pinto beans, and the black beans. Two sliced jalapeños. You can notice how many seeds we left in here, so we want a little spice. We left about a third of the seeds in from one of the jalapeños.
So about a sixth of the seeds.
About a sixth of the seeds are in there. This is 2 jalapeños sliced.
What's the secret ingredient?
Love. It's Uncle Dan's ranch dressing is the secret ingredient to our taco soup. We get it at one cup. Now that we've mixed this up really good, we're going to put the lid on this and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to put some coals on top to get some heat from the top, and we'll check it. This SOB is hot, but I'm going to stick coals on top.
Are you timing?
Hell no. Real men don't time. When you're a seasoned cook like me, you don't need to time. You just have a feeling. A sixth sense, if you will, on when the taco soup is simmering at the perfect temperature. Here at the Forged in Flavor Studios, right here in Riverton, Utah, we are bringing you taco soup like you've never had it before. What's the secret ingredient to this taco soup? Uncle Dan's ranch dressing, that's what it is. Yep, we're telling you the secrets here tonight, guys. Oh, I can smell it now. I think it's cooking good, so I think we'll just leave it for a bit. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the top off and see what it looks like. It's really good. Here we go. Steam. Sour cream. Tomatoes from our garden. It's great.
Does it taste good?
Yes, it's good. It just burned my mouth. I'm not good at this whole presentation thing.
You could do the Humpty dance.
Alright, stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you used to. I look funny. But you all making stew, see? So your world will be ready for me. We're Aspen Pines, y'all. We're called and Forged in Flavor. If you don't like or subscribe, you're a hater.